Hey guys, good evening. It's Dom here, Dragon Slayer Forge and Studio. And this video is about how am I going to go about making my Touchmark stamp. So what I did here, took a piece of grater blade. I wasn't sure what type of steel people use for that. Anyway, so I had some grater blade, nice solid high carbon steel. I cut a chunk out, you can see, and then I stretched it out, and then I made this piece out of it. So it's about 6, 7, 8 inches long, something like that. And then I just forged the tip up, a little striking in there, folded there, but because there was lots of cross dimension. And I'm gonna just put some red marker, and then I made a punch earlier. I made this one here, you could see. It's a little stamp that I created for myself. So half a fleur-de-lis and half a gear. I kind of made it backward and I wanted it to face the other way. So I'll keep this one. Then I'll make the other one facing the other way. And then I'll show you, I'm just mostly gonna do it all with grinders and die grinders and diamond bits. You can see here I have a selection of different bits. They all came from my father-in-law. I was very lucky. He gave me some tools when he moved away. I got all these little diamond bits and stuff. And anyway, so that's gonna fit on my Dremel. And I'm just gonna carve away at it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use a scribe. I have a diamond point scribe. I'm gonna scratch it in, sketch it in with that. And then we'll see how that goes. It's working pretty good. Just gonna take your time. Then use the bright bits here wherever you want it, but it's coming along. Alright guys, I think I got it. So just tell a little bit here. But we're gonna heat treat it. Let's see. Alright, I got 2 bunches to do. So I'm gonna put them in here. process usually, so I just wiped it off. It's looking good. I'm just gonna put in the grinder and buff it up. I'm just gonna heat up the other end so you can see the color. You can see right now. Just have silver. Hey guys, we're gonna try it out.
A piece of spring steel. I'm gonna try the small one, and then we'll try the big one. Okay, one shot. Yes, that's how. What we got? The second one, the big one. Try that right here. I don't think we'll stand twice. Very difficult. Yeah, I don't know about that.
Well guys, I'm happy with the punches, but after a few tests, I think they're too big. Don't seem to be getting a super deep impression. So, I don't know, you could see. It's hard to tell exactly what we got. But, anyway, that's a smaller one. Anyway, we're gonna make us another one, smaller. And then, this is how I made mine. There's different ways to do them. It seems to work pretty good, but I think they have to be fairly small depending on the shape to get a good impression. That would be my only feedback if you guys want to make one. And if you have any comments, or if you enjoyed the video, or if you have any idea how I can improve, please let me know down in the comments below, and then keep on hammering. Thanks for watching.